Good morning, children. How are you? See, children, in our last class of the grammar, we have discussed about the naming words. What and the nouns or nouns. Nouns can be known as the naming words, and nouns may be the name of anything. And we have learned about the few categories of the nouns. Means few names we have learned. Names of fruits, names of vegetables, days of the week, months of the year, clothes, jobs, etc. Any name is known as the nouns. Okay, it is clear now. What is a noun? Names of anything. Or names of the persons, places, things, animals, fruits, vegetables. ఏ పేరైనా సరే దాన్ని ఏమనాలి? నౌన్ అనాలి. Now today we are going to learn about singular and plural. Singular and plural. First of all, you should know what is singular, what is plural. See children, singular means single. Means when we are talking about any one thing. When we are talking about one thing. When we are talking about one thing, it is known as the singular. When we are talking about more than one, plural means children more than one. అది రెండు అయి ఉండొచ్చు, మూడు అయి ఉండొచ్చు. So more than one thing is known as plural. One thing is known as singular, whereas more than one is known as plural. Is it clear now? What is singular? One. ఒక్కటి ఉండేదాన్ని singular అంటాం. And more than one, it may be two, it may be three, it may be four, it may be five. Whatever it may be, that is known as the plural. Okay. What is plural? More than one. Here they have given us few plurals which adds s at the end, which adds es at the end, which adds ies at the end, and which adds ves at the end. You have to, children, be careful when you are writing the plural forms of a given word. Today just we will read few plurals. Okay. Now what is the plural of book, children? Books. Book. Books. What is the plural of book? Books. Hand. Hand. What is the plural of hand? Hands. Pen. What is the plural of pen, children? Pens. Plural of pen? Pens. Table. What is the plural of table? Tables. What is the plural of table, children? Tables. Wall. Walls. Wall. Walls. Next, children, a few more we will read. Boy. Only with yes I am giving you. Then we will go for es. Boy. Boys. Boy plural. Boys. Girl. Girl plural. Girls. Girls. Key. Keys. Okay. Donkey. Toy. Toys. Donkey. Donkeys. Monkey. Monkeys. So children, these are the few plurals which adds es at the end. These are the few plurals which adds es at the end. If you see book, book plural what nana? Books. Book, books. Hand, hands. Pen, pens. Table, tables. Wall, walls. Boy, boys. Girl, girls. Key, keys. Toy, toys. Donkey, donkeys. Monkey, monkeys. So these all plurals are taking es. Some plurals are formed by s, taking s at the end of the singular. Some are formed by adding es also, children. Konni plurals s add చేసుకుంటామా, కొన్ని es add చేసుకుంటాయి. There are few rules. Okay. So Now let us discuss about the ES. Let us discuss about the ES. In what situation we will add ES at the end? You try to understand, children. Rules have been not given in your textbook, but for your concern I am explaining. Just try to understand, no problem. If singular ends with SS, CH, SH and or X, before X if there is a vowel, we add ES. See, let us see the few examples, children. Bench. What is the plural for bench, Nana? Benches. What is the plural for bench? Benches. ES we are adding. Bush. Bushes. Class. Classes. Watch. Watches. Brush. Brushes. Buffalo. Buffaloes. Tomato. Tomatoes. Tomato. Tomatoes. These are the few plurals, children, which take ES at the end. Potato. Potatoes. Potato. Potatoes. Mango. Mangoes. So children, few plurals are formed by adding S and few are formed by adding ES. Konni plurals S, konni ES. Few more are there, children, which takes IES at the end to write the plural form. Which takes IES at the end to take the plural form. First just learn these words, Nana. Bench, benches, bush, bushes, class, classes, watch, watches, brush, brushes, buffalo, buffaloes, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes, mango, mangoes. Now let us discuss, children, the plurals which forms by adding IES. See, children, if you observe the last. So, if the word ends with SS, CH, SH, X also, children. Box, boxes. If the X before vowel undanko, ES add cheyochu manam. Boxes. Okay. And if the word ends with O and before O there is a consonant, to write the plural form we add ES. Once see, bench, benches, bush, bushes, class, classes, watch, watches, box, boxes, brush, brushes, buffalo, buffaloes, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes, mango, mangoes. Now coming to our next part of the plurals, children, which takes IES to write. Which takes IES in the singular form. Suppose baby. What is the plural form of baby? Babies. In place of Y, children, we are adding IES. Okay. So some plurals are formed by replacing Y with IES. City. Cities. Story. Stories. Okay. Fly. Flies. Lady. ladies. Next, children. Okay, these are the few examples, children, which replaces y with ies. So what we have learned today, we have learned what is a singular noun, what is a plural noun. What is a singular noun? If the noun is a singular, one, only one, then it is said to be in singular form. If the noun is more than one, then it is said to be in the plural form. So just revise all the plurals which we have learned today, children. Book, books. Hand, hands. Pen, pens. Table, tables. Wall, walls. Bench, benches. Box, boxes. Branch, branches. Brush, brushes. Watch, watches. Baby, babies. City, cities. Fly, flies. Lady, ladies. Story, stories. Boy, boys. Day, days. Key, keys. Monkey, monkeys. Toy, toys. Buffalo, buffaloes. Mango, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. So in this way we have learnt today plurals with yes, plurals with es, and plurals with ies. Tomorrow, children, we will discuss about plurals with ves and some different plurals which doesn't takes yes, es, ies, vs in this indifferent manner. They form the plural in an indifferent manner. So once listen the class and practice few plurals at home. Write in the notebook. Have a nice day.